Well, as in theory we should be moving out of here in about just over a week's time, I thought I'd give you a quick look around my studio. So apologies for the mess because I'm in the middle of moving house. So as a pile of recorders I'm waiting to pack. I used to play in school and started taking it back up again. It's my sewing box full of goodies. This is my very professional setup of how I film my videos. So I pop my camera on there. It's very professional, I know, but soon it will be better. So here's my sewing box. It's got my needles and bits and bobs, pins and glasses and things like that. Some of my work on the walls up here. That's about to be sent off to America, a leaf bowl. Something I'm currently working on, some ETCs for some friends of ours. Box of fabric is where it all gets rather messy, some water and tea. My printer, there's a piece of embroidery I'm working on, holding in there, quite big. So I've got my threads and bits of luchador and more threads, boxes of miscellaneous stuff, some cards I made. It's my Mr. Hoot from James, he made me for a kit that came into the catch-up. Iron, that's to make bracelets. That's my password book all falling down, so yeah, if you want to come and rob the house you've only got a week left, but that's where the passwords live. This is the back door, very exciting out there, but that's why it's often drippy and noisy. Pictures, little place where I do, dry bits of work and things. It's the kitchen, which is why it's often sounds like the washing machine's on, because it is. More embroidery. It's one of my cats having some dinner. This is my spinning wheel that my mother-in-law just bought for me, which is very nice. Some of James's Legos, some of my toys, and my little notice board. More embroidery up on the walls. And then this is a combination of kind of some of it in the living room, because I don't currently have my own proper workspace. So this is mine. That's my scanning cut, or cut and shut as it's known in my family. And there's Ka-chunk living in there. Now this is my big cupboard of stuff. This is all completely mental because we're just, as I say, just stuffed things in there to move. So that's all my sort of fabrics. These are some of the little patches of stitched fabrics that I use. There's all kinds of different stuff in here. Some scrim, that's always nice. Flower forming foam that came from the charity shop. Paints, that's where my papers and things live for making cards and such like. Random miscellany kits and things, hoops that have just decided to try and kill me as I open up the door, little baskets of unfinished projects and things like that. So that's the cupboard. Then this side of things we've got another sewing box full of bits that need sorting, a couple of embroideries. This is sort of bits of stuff from thingamajig, more embroideries, beads, things, lots of things. Lots of goodies, really, more embroideries hung up. That one, I don't think I've still photographed that one properly. And that one, and, oh yeah, excitement of drawers and things, just random stuff, too much random stuff. And paints and inks and everything, very empty drawer, one very full drawer for some reason. Anyway, so this is where I am. And this is where I am now. So this is my new room. Please don't, I've literally just started sorting it this morning, so I couldn't tell you what's here because I don't know myself yet. Baskets of things that have come with me. Things, bits and bobs. Mr. Hoot again makes an appearance. So all the same stuff in the previous video, just scattered wildly around this funny room. So this is my new studio. There's my table and more miscellaneous bits and bobs. So yeah, we shall try and work a way of making all my embroidery not get horribly dusty while we fix all of this room. But anyway, apologies again for not being a proper video this week, but I hope you understand why, and next week we should be back as normal. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you could like and subscribe, it would make the world of difference to me. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.